I want to talk about something pretty cool today, but to set the stage, I kind of need a minute to explore where I'm coming from. So for 20 years, I worked in major investment banks between the City of London and Wall Street in New York. And one of my last jobs was in a wealth management division of one of these banks, where the job really was to help the 1%ers out there, the super rich people, type of, think household names, Bill Gates type of people, invest their money. And when you look at the very rich people and the way they invest their money, they basically invested in 4 different things. One, they invest in real estate, both commercial and residential, and that's expected, right? They all have large property investments. Number 2, they buy financial instruments like stocks and bonds. They effectively become large shareholders in major companies and kind of hold them forever. Number 3, they invest in what we call private deals. Think kind of the private equity type of deals that you and I don't really get access to. And number 4, they give money, allocate money to hedge funds, smart portfolio managers and large hedge funds to manage for them. And to do that, you can't just show up and knock on the door and ask them to manage your $20 or $30 or $100,000. There are super large barriers to enter. You need millions of dollars to even get the seat at the table and even talk to these hedge funds. Until today, I want to show you a platform that offers a similar level of access to really talented portfolio managers and hedge funds, where you're able to invest just like them. Let's take a look. All right, I think the best way to show you what this platform can actually do is to show you right away. I'm going to share my screen, walk you through it over the next 2 or 3 minutes. I was amazed by how incredibly simple this platform is relative to what it actually delivers. This is what the landing page looks like. ECHOTRADE, that's the name of the platform. Echo, copy, mirror, all of these should be used interchangeably because they represent exactly what this platform does. So the website is echotrading.com. Once you get here, you sign up and open an account, and that's obviously free. You get to ECHOTRADE. This is kind of the homepage or the landing page of the actual platform. So the dashboard shows you an overview of what you have in terms of subscriptions, and then a rolling commentary from all the managers, all the strategies on the platform. But really the meat, the core of the platform is in the marketplace. So once you click on marketplace, you see all the strategies listed in a really well presented kind of a thumbnail type of a form. You see there are 31 strategies. You can filter it by firms. So to the right corner, click on firms, you get 22 firms. So some of these obviously run multiple strategies. And then advisors. Some of these advisors are people you may have seen on CNBC, on Bloomberg, in other financial media. So back to strategies, once you kind of look at the overview and you want to see details, right? Click on the details. And then you have a quick description of what the strategy invests in, what the investing philosophy is here, the performance chart, all the details in terms of assets under management, website, founded, who is this managed by, and then again, a rolling commentary on the market by them. So let's say you like all of this and you decide to subscribe. So you hit subscribe, top right corner, and you get to a very simple subscription page where you fill out your credit card details, apply your promotion code. Currently the company is offering the first month for free. And you see this on the right side here. This is a strategy that's $20 a month, 100% discount, 0 for the first month, right? You see this in red. And then once you agree to terms of use, privacy policy, and hit subscribe, you get to the actual strategy. Now, this is where the power of the platform really shines, right? This is what this is all about, because now you have an immediate, instant view into how this portfolio manager invests, and what's in the strategy, what's in their portfolio, and this is where ECHOTRADE comes in, right? So I am not allowed to show this here. This is intellectual property, so I'm blurring the names of this specific strategy. So now you have 2 choices. You can either look at what's in the portfolio in the strategy, go to your trading account, wherever that may be, whether it's Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Schwab, Fidelity, wherever you are investing your money, and mirror, copy, or echo exactly what you see on ECHOTRADE here for this particular manager. Or you can link a trading account to ECHOTRADE directly. Currently, ECHOTRADE works with a commission-free broker called Tradier. There's likely going to be other brokers in the future, but for now it's just Tradier. You link your account to ECHOTRADE, and the moment there is a change in the portfolio, you get notified by email. Pretty soon the company is going to have mobile notifications, so really immediate notifications on your cell phone. But right now it's just an email. Once you receive an email of a portfolio change, you log into ECHOTRADE, and when your account is linked, you simply hit Echo, and that sends a trading order to your account at Tradier and replicates the trade in your portfolio. So this is a very seamless way to still retain 100% control over all your investments, but have a very seamless way to kind of activate all the portfolio changes that you see your manager that you're following, that you're echoing, is doing on their own in their trading strategy. Now, all of this, how to link your account to ECHOTRADE, is explained in the tutorial section. So I invite you to go and watch all these videos. There are 7 videos, really short ones. They're all less than 2 minutes long and extremely well made, where, again, the basics of ECHOTRADE are explained: how to subscribe, how to connect, how to link your account, and ultimately how to echo. What it also explains is how to earn rewards. So when you go to the My Reward section, again in the menu on the left, you see that currently the company is offering 1 month for free. So again, like I said, on the subscription page, the first month is free, but you can also earn rewards. When you scroll down, you get your referral link that you can copy and send to your friends and family. They also have to retire and make sure that they can retire with some money. So don't be shy and share this with them. Or you can simply fill out their name and email address, and the platform will invite them directly. Once they sign up and open an account, you get another month for free. So you can effectively keep earning free months and in the best case scenario, never pay for this amazing access to ECHOTRADE. All right, so much for a quick overview of ECHOTRADE. I want to spend a couple of minutes now just to close this, kind of talking about who this is really for, right? Who this is for, how this should be used, and why this is such a game changer in terms of investing options and possibilities, because this is a very unique platform that really doesn't exist. I haven't seen anything like this in the market. But it's truly a game changer, because when you look at big hedge funds, big strategies, we talked about the very rich people that invest in hedge funds at the beginning of the video, you don't really see what they do until at the end of the quarter. Well, actually, after the quarter ends, they have to file the so-called 13F filings by the SEC. They have to do this by law. And only then you actually see what they invested in, what they sold, what they bought in the preceding quarter. So this is where you see this on CNBC, on Bloomberg. Every quarter you kind of see a summary of the big names in the hedge fund industry: George Soros, Citadel, Point72, what changes they made in their portfolios. But that's too late, right? Here, the game-changing aspect of ECHOTRADE is that you see this immediately. As soon as a manager makes a change in their portfolio, you get a notification and you're able to copy, to echo, to mirror the same trade. So this is a big deal. This is something that didn't exist previously, and like I said, I haven't seen anything like this in the market. Now, who is this really for, right? This is not for everybody. You talk to my wife, she doesn't want to handle money. She wants to, like, all these people that they kind of know they have to save for retirement, and they do, but they want to give it to an advisor. They want to give it to somebody that puts it in an index, and once a year they send them an email and say, it's still good. You made or you lost X amount of percent, and keep going, keep contributing, right? So ECHOTRADE is really for people that want to have a more hands-on approach and control to their own investment. This is not a day trading kind of a scheme, right? A lot of these portfolios are made and designed for retirement. They don't necessarily change the portfolio every day or every week. Again, you'll see once you start signing up and you start getting notifications. Depends, again, on the strategies. But this is for people that either don't have the expertise or don't have the time, right? But they still want to retain and be involved. Whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, a pilot, you work in construction, you don't necessarily have time to analyze stocks yourself, read all the financial reports and make all these decisions. But you still want a certain degree of expertise and control, and also believe that somebody's actually working for you, investing your money, that it's not just with a financial advisor at Raymond James that puts it in an index and, again, once a year sends you an email. And finally, I think a lot of people during the pandemic, right, we saw a lot of new investors, a lot of people, millions of people opened up investment accounts. And I know for the fact that a lot of these people lost money trading and investing. They either didn't have the required experience, or they invested based on advice on social media, including YouTube, right? I am on YouTube, where the advice just wasn't very good, and ultimately that just led to really poor investment decisions. A lot of these people should not leave the game, right? But simply find a better game. And this is a better way to still be involved in the market. Learn with these managers, see how they invest, follow them, and mirror what they do. So anyway, thanks for hanging out today. Again, the link to the platform is below the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. I will answer every single question. The platform itself, in the learning, the tutorials point, has really well-made videos. So watch all these videos. Again, free to sign up, free for the first month. So give it a go and let me know how you like it. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you soon.